Miami wasn't built by millionaires, it was built by Bahamian laborers whose names history tried to erase. In 1895, families from the Bahamas crossed 50 miles of sea to clear swamps, cut lumber, and lay the foundations of the city that boosters called the Magic City. They lived in rough camps along the Miami River, hammering pilings while mosquitoes swarmed so thick they turned the air black. Pay was meager, work was brutal, and sickness spread fast. But without Bahamian workers, there would have been no hotels, no rail lines, no city at all. When the wealthy celebrated Miami's founding in 1896, Black Bahamians weren't invited. Their labor was erased from the photographs, their names missing from the record books. Yet generations stayed shaping neighborhoods, churches, and music that gave Miami its soul. Miami was called magic, but its magic came from hands history tried to hide.